I wanted to introduce a new series that is coming soon to this channel. This is the Grelier OM plan, and you can search Grelier, Grellier guitars, and he has this, a 00 plan, and some other plans on his site. They're Creative Commons. A lot of guitars have been made from these plans. This will be my first acoustic guitar. I've not made one of before. I have made several electric guitars, and I'll use what techniques and tools I have that work for that will work for this also. And then to fill in the gaps, I'll be using the William Campiano and Jonathan Nelson guitar making tradition and technology to fill in the gaps of technique and jigs and tools and whatnot that I don't have and don't know. The Grelier plan, from what I have been able to gather by studying it for several years on the internet, looking up, you know, anything anybody had relative to it posted, the bracing is quite robust. I believe that Campiano's bracing is probably going to be a better idea. The guitars are similar. Campiano's is basically a folk style guitar, which is basically an orchestra model type body pretty much. And the scale lengths are similar. I'll be going with a 25.4 Martin scale on this instrument. But I'm not going to follow this book perfectly. I'm not going to follow this plan perfectly. I'm going to take methods or aspects from each that I think are appropriate to what I want to do and make my own guitar. So let's look at some of the woods. The top is just lovely, lovely spruce. I think it's a second or an A grade spruce, but it, in my opinion, it's got a very nice grain to it. Not too wide, not too narrow. I think that's going to be beautiful. And then let me set this aside. I'm doing this by hand. Then I have this sapele, which is going to form the back and sides of the instrument. It'll be interesting. I have never bent over a hot pipe, so this is a Granadillo second grade fretboard, and that's what I'll be using for the fretboard, and the neck will be a maple blank that I have here. So stay tuned. This series will take months, as in 5 or 6 or 6 or 8, and there'll be individual videos, but I'm going to document the process all the way through. So stay tuned, stay with me, and I hope you enjoy it. Later.